Hello everyone, welcome to week 3, module 3, where we're going to focus on human geographies, political, social, and economic issues. The learning objectives for this week are for you to be able to identify, define, and apply key terms in geography and big ideas, such as development, globalization, and different ideas associated with demographics. You will also be able to locate and identify patterns and development trends using some UN data. And lastly, the big thing for this week is that you'll have your first assessment or exam. And this will be the place analysis project. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. The idea of this project is for you to demonstrate your understanding of the key concepts that we've talked about in the course so far and kind of lay the foundation for us to go forward for the rest of the semester. The checklist on Carmen has an explanation of all the materials that you need to complete for the week. Everything you need to complete these tasks is posted under the Content tab. This is also where you're going to find the instructions for the assessment project. So regarding the first assessment or exam, the Analyzing Place project, the idea behind this project is to give you an opportunity to apply some of the major concepts that we've talked about so far in this class to something that you actually have experience of in your everyday life, a place that you might be familiar with or one that you're interested in going. The idea is that it could be your hometown, someplace you visited, or somewhere that you want to go. We'll provide on the instruction form a list of key terms, and you'll choose a number of these terms and apply them to understanding that particular place. You can do this in a number of forms. You could use a sort of standard essay form, and there's a word count and instructions available for that as your, if that's your choice of media. You can also be creative and come up with other types of ways to convey the information. So you might want to use a presentation, do video, whatever fits within meeting the things that we've asked for in the project. I've included a couple questions to help you organize your thoughts, and you'll see that when you look at the project prompt. You're free to use any resources from outside of the course as well, but if you do, be sure to cite them properly. There will be a Dropbox on Carmen for you to be able to upload your project on the due date, which is going to be Wednesday, January 30th at 11:59. This will give you a little bit of extra time to be able to approach the project. Now, please take into account that you could write volumes about any location, but the key thing here is for you to just demonstrate your knowledge in a concise and intelligent way, so we can tell that you are in fact understanding what we're talking about in the course. Another thing that we're going to do with these projects, once they've been assessed by the teaching team, is that we're going to share these projects online through a course wiki. So other students will be able to have a chance to take a look at your projects. And as we go down through the quarter and look at different regions, we might draw on your place analysis to understand different parts of the world that we look at. So keep that in mind as you create your project. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about this, feel free to contact me, and I'll be more than happy to give you more information.